Okay, so this video is to explain once you find the z-score of negative 0.08 and then you look that up in the normal table, you're getting an area of 0.0319. That area actually corresponds to this unshaded section of the normal curve. And the section that you are concerned with for the problem that you are doing is everything to the left of 59, which is this section over here that I am currently coloring in. And so since the normal curve table gives you the area from the mean to the value that you looked up, what happens is you have to take 0.5 and subtract 0.039 to find this shaded piece, which is the piece or the area that you are concerned with. And so once you subtract 0.5 minus 0.0319, you end up with 0.4681. And so that is the answer. That's the amount of area that is shaded.